Gee, thanks. If I didn't have a negative self-image before, I do now. As I was saying before I was rudely interrupted, I'm Santa Claus, and you have all been very naughty this year. I also have admin access. However, since it is nearly Christmas, and... excuse me, please. Hello, Saint Nick.
Oh, how rude.
Mm-hmm. Aha. Yes, yes. And dare I ask what happened to the elves? You're right, I didn't want to know. All right, chaps, you got lucky this time.